Hello mga ka-foodie and welcome to my Foodie Louie channel. Today I'm going to cook a very easy to do recipe called garlic shrimps. If you enjoy my video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified when I have a new uploaded recipe. Thank you, Ka Foodie!